how to add waypoints or points of interest to your route. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to add waypoint or points of interest to your route in OS map. In order to do that procedure, first of all, go ahead and log in into your OS map account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and from here you can just go ahead and navigate to the area where you want to create your route. So for that case, go ahead and type in your location. And when you're located, now you can activate the route planning tool by clicking or tapping on the drawing icon or plan a route button. Then you can just begin plotting your route by clicking the or tapping the map. Add waypoint along with the path. Just go ahead and select just like that, or just tap the arrow icon, and accordingly you can go ahead and add a waypoint simple by tapping on the desired location on the map. That's how you can adjust the position of waypoint. And now you can go ahead and adjust the position of waypoint by clicking and dragging them to the map to fine tune the route. And if you want to add points of interest or POIs into your routes, such as landmark attractions or amenities, you can search for them by using the search bar tool or exploring the map for relevant location. So that's basically how you can add waypoints or points of interest to your route in OS map. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.